Hey guys, welcome back to All on Law. In this video lecture, I will tell you briefly about the importance of or the effect of caffeine during pregnancy. Okay. So, what is the effect? I think you can see it clearly. I don't know exactly. Yes. So the effect of caffeine during pregnancy is really very important. What is whether you can take caffeine during pregnancy or what is if you can take it, what is the minimum amount you can take it, I will tell you. So remember, during pregnancy you have to take precautions because you will be looking after a fetus also, the growing fetus, which requires a very good nutrition and supplements. Okay, so the first important thing that you should remember is remember in pregnancy the metabolism of the caffeine is known to slow down, taking 2 to 3 times longer to metabolize. So when it takes time to metabolize, so it gets accumulated in the body. So and the caffeine, what is the intake is more than 300 milligram of caffeine per day. So equivalent to, if you ask me how many cups of coffee, it would be more than 3 cups. Usually it varies. Some people do prefer very strong coffee which contains like 150 milligram in 200 ml of coffee. Okay, this is a coffee mug, right? So this is a coffee, right? So remember, so it is like taking more than 3 cups a day ideally. So what happens is that if you are consuming more than 300 milligram, then it can affect the growth of the fetus. So remember, it can affect the fetus. So how it affects is, one is it impairs the growth. The baby's growth will be less, the weight gain will be low, and the development is also affected. The development of the baby is also affected, remember. And there is one more chance of increased chances of abortion. So these 3 problems will be there. How it causes this problem is the mechanism of action. If you ask me, what it causes the constriction of the blood vessels. If this is the blood vessels normally, so it constricts the blood vessels like this. It becomes a narrow. So this is the blood vessels, and it becomes a narrow, and the blood vessels, especially the placenta, which supplies a good amount of blood to the fetus, get constricted, means it causes abortion. It can impair the growth of the fetus and developmental problems in the future also, you can see. So it's better if you avoid coffee, okay, and it's better if you avoid or take a lesser and diluted one. Avoid black tea, okay, and even chocolates, if you avoid it, would be a good. Okay, so remember, these things you should avoid during pregnancy. It's better, and good nutrition will help you to make a baby good and very a healthy baby. Okay, thank you so much. Do subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye.